welcome to another Corsa video. This 2009 Corsa D, and we're having wiper problems. So the complaint this time is the wipers don't appear to be working, and we've got 176,000 on the clock, so I'll just verify that. Oh, turn the ignition on. So yeah, and I'm thinking it's electrical, but oh dear, something's terrible. So I better turn that off. Yep, so something's disconnected from linkage, so I would think it was going to be an electrical problem, and I got all my electrical stuff out. So I've quickly diagnosed that from the sound, so I'll need to tear into the scuttle and it'll soon become obvious. So I managed to get the scuttle panel off. It was easy enough, a couple of 30mm bolts on wiper arms, and then the piece of plastic here I just lifted off. It's not really held on by anything apart from friction, but there you go. That's where the wiper arms popped off. So there's the other end of it. So it should be just a matter of just pushing it back into the ball joint. Whether it'll stay there is another thing. It might just come off again. And then have a yeah. I think the ball joint might have just worn down and it's just dropped off. So it may well just. And I had this problem many years ago. I think it was on a Mark III Ford Granada, and I just ended up buying replacement wiper linkage. So only thing I can think of to try and stop it from popping off is to wrap a cable tie around that. So I think I'll do that. I'll put a cable tie around it just to keep it from dropping off again. So I've turned wipers on, and it's not dropping off, but it could come off again. So that's what the problem is, and I think the best to get a replacement wiper linkage. Got it all buttoned up, tested it all. Had the wipers going full belt, and it seems to be holding. I think chances are it's going to need a new wiper linkage. I mean, at 176,000 miles, it's probably a little bit tired, but it's all right for now. So I'm going to end this video here. So as ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.